So guys, for the first experiment we need hot water and a leaf. So put the leaf in the hot water and then turn it side, that means upside down it, and then wait for 5 to 6 seconds or 10 seconds. Then you will observe some bubbles like this in the video as shown, and these bubbles will be of oxygen, that is O2, and this concludes that plant release oxygen while doing photosynthesis. So here we have our second experiment. For this we need hot water and cold water and potassium permanganate. So we need to pour potassium permanganate into both the containers and observe that in the first container it is mixing fastly and in the second it is mixing slowly. So it concludes that diffusion happens fast in hot water than in cold water. Experiment number 3, and it is a magic trick. So for this you need two containers, one large and one small, and take water in first container, that is large one, and then put the tissue paper in the smaller one container like this as shown in the video. Then you have to take the smaller one container and take it upside down and put it into the larger one, and let's see what happens when we put it. So I have put it in the large container and we have to remove it and then take out the tissue paper and let's see what is happened with the tissue paper. Is it wet? No, you are wrong, because the tissue paper is dry. Yes guys, this is a really interesting magic trick, and it is related to the term that is the atmospheric pressure. So guys, here we have our fourth experiment, and for this we need a glass, a cardboard and a coin, and we have to put the coin on the cardboard and see what happens. So it fell down. So guys, here is another way of doing this experiment. So we have to fill the water till the top of the glass and then put the cardboard and then move your finger through the glass, and then we have to take the coin and try putting it on the cardboard and see what happens. Wow, it is balanced properly, and this experiment is related to the term that is surface tension. So guys, here we have our last and the final experiment. For this we need a dish and put water into it, and then we have to take black pepper and pour it on the water, and our next step is to take any hand wash or dish soap and then apply it on your finger as shown in this video, and then our last step is to take the finger and put it on the dish and let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1 and go. Wow, the all black pepper